everyone, so in today's video I am going to be talking about the top 5 data analytics courses in Philippines. So the first course that I am going to talk about is IIM Skills. This was founded by Mr. Webb of Kakkad in 2015 and it is one of the best places to do data analytics course from, and the duration of their data analytics course is about 6 months and the fees of the same is approximately rupees 60,000. Now the best part about their course is their faculty, their quality of education, and the best part is that you can have lifetime access of their course, which means that if anything changes in the data analytics world, after a few years or after a few months, you will still have access to it. So the next institute that I'm going to talk about is Simply Learn. This institute was founded by Mr. Krishna Kumar and this is one of the best places to learn data analytics from. Their data analytics course is about 8 months long, along with the fees of rupees 2 lakhs approximately. Now I know it's a little bit on the expensive side, but their quality matches their their money, their fees, and you can get a good faculty, great faculty with over 10 plus years of experience, and I think you should definitely go for it. Now the next institute that I am going to talk about is Great Learning. This is truly one of the great institutes to learn data analytics from, and it was founded by Mr. Mohan Lakam Raju, and the duration of their data analytics course is about 6 to 12 months along with the fees of 2 to 3 lakh rupees approximately, and this is a good institute again with great faculty, great quality. You can definitely go for this course. So the next institute in my list is Data Trained, which was founded by Mr. Hitesh Chaudhary and Rakshit Chauhan. Now the average duration of their course is about 8 to 9 months and the fees is approximately rupees 1,80,000. It is somewhere around that range, and they also have great faculty, and you can definitely go for this institute as well because their faculty also has an experience of over 10 plus years, and they not only focus on theoretical knowledge but also focus on practical knowledge, which is extremely important in such a technical course. Now the last but not the least institute in my list is LearnBay, which was founded by Mr. Abhishek Gupta and Krishna Kumar. Now the duration of their data analytics course is about 6 months and the fees of the same is about rupees 1 lakh approximately. Now I know it's also a little bit on the expensive side, but this is a technical course, which means that it will be a little bit expensive. IIM Skills is very affordable though, but their quality is also top notch. LearnBay's quality is also very good along with great faculty. But I will highly suggest you all to take the demos of all these institutes and choose for yourself which course is the best for you, which trainer are you able to understand properly, the teaching method of which trainer is good for you. So for that, to save your time and effort, I've put all the links in the description box. You can go and check them out. And that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next video with more such informative content. Till then, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.